Everyone, I just wanted to show you how to access your Chromebook's webcam to record yourself. Many teachers have already used this feature for remote learning for things like mini lessons or read aloud chapters for your kids to watch and listen along with. So there's three parts to this. Part one is accessing your webcam to record yourself. Part two is going to be uploading your video to YouTube. And part three is going to be attaching your YouTube video to your Google Classroom so your kids can access it. So the first step of all this would be to access your webcam. So at the very bottom of your Chromebook screen is the launcher. It's this little circle button down here. If you click that open, you're going to have this popping up here. All you want to do with that, let me go back again, is look for camera. So you're going to have all these apps open here. You have different screens that you can click on the side of, and you want to look for the one with the camera option right here. When you click the camera option, it's going to open your webcam. I'm on the screen right now, and you want to make sure you hit the video option here. Once you hit the video option, you're all set to record your video, and it will save once you push the stop button to your files. So let's say you record your video. I'm going to do a quick 5-second video of myself here recording, and I'm going to push stop when I'm finished. What's going to happen is that video, now that I click out, is now saved to my files. So what does that mean? I have to go back down to the launcher at the bottom. So follow along with me here. Sometimes it shows up right here as the first one. If it doesn't, you can click up and look for it. And remember, there are different pages here that you can click through or scroll down on. And you're looking for the one that says files, which for me is right over here. It's a little blue folder. So I'm going to click that option, and it's going to come up with my first one hopefully being downloads. If I'm able to click that twice, I'm going to get a whole bunch of videos. So the first one is of me for my 5-second video. So it is in there already, and it says at the very end of the video file, it says .mkv. A lot of teachers are having trouble uploading the video straight to Google Classroom. It doesn't automatically play all the time. It just says processing for the students. So to avoid this, what we're going to do is we're going to click out real quick. And up on the top of our browser, we're going to type in youtube.com and click enter. When you do that, at the top of your YouTube, you have your own YouTube channel through runamedeschools.org. So everything's going to post there under your account. So here's my little picture for runamedeschools.org. So I have my own channel set up with all my videos. But what you're going to do today is you're going to take that video you just recorded, and what you're going to do is you can push where it says create a video and more. And there's going to be an option to click upload video right here at the top. So you want to click that. So YouTube Studio is going to come up here, and it's going to ask you to drag or drop a file you want to upload. We're not going to drag or drop anything. We're going to select the file. It's the blue button here. Okay. Once you do that, your download should show up. Hopefully your first one is the most current. If you don't see the most current file here that's downloaded, you can click date modified, and it will change it from the earliest to the latest on your Chromebook. So for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that 5-second video I had and double click it. And what's going to happen is it's going to start uploading and processing down here at the bottom. So it says 0% processed right now, 95%. Now, it will take longer to process your video if you have, let's say, a 20-minute video versus a 5-second video. So there I am. 5 seconds is real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to name it test video, and you want to name yours whatever you're going to do. If yours is a chapter of a book, you might want to say like chapter 5 of whatever the book title is. Some important things when you're in YouTube, make sure you name it first of all. You can select a thumbnail if you want the first video to be there. Make sure it's marked for kids. Push next. You can click next again, and make sure it's listed as a public video. And then finally push publish. In the next video you can click on, I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube video onto Google Classroom, which should be a pretty easy process.